Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to text yourself on Imessage step by step. Open Messages, tap the Compose button, enter your own phone number or Apple ID email, type a quick note, and press send to create a self-message. I will walk through settings, troubleshooting delivery, and ways to use self-texts as a personal inbox. Stay with me for simple tips that save time and keep your ideas handy. Start by checking settings, then tap Messages to confirm iMessage is active and your phone number or Apple ID is listed under Send and Receive. Open Messages, tap the Compose icon, type your phone number or Apple ID email in the To field, write the message you want to save, and hit Send. I will also show how to use this for quick reminders, drafts, and transferring links between devices without extra apps. If your self-texts aren't delivering, try toggling iMessage off and on, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or restart the device to refresh connections. Make sure Send as SMS is enabled for fallback when iMessage is unavailable, and ensure Messages in iCloud syncing is turned on to keep texts across devices. I'll explain how to identify which address receives messages and how to manage duplicate threads for a cleaner inbox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.